if you're anything like me, you watched a decent amount of YouTube. And I remember a decent amount of those videos that I watched were videos like, this is your last chance to make money. This is like, if you don't do this in 2024, it's over. You're gonna get left behind. Do this before it's too late. Like those cringe clickbaity titles, man. The amount of hours I just spent watching all of those videos. And the funny thing too with those videos, I was playing Fortnite in the background. So it's like, it didn't even help me at all. And it especially didn't help me because it just gave me so much stress in my life. You see, I was watching those videos when I was 15. 15 years old. You know how many 15-year-olds, 16-year-olds nowadays just play video games? Just play the Fortnite without listening to the money videos. They always capitalize the titles to like, this is your last chance to make money in 2024. Get rich before it's too late. It just sounds cringe saying it. I feel like all those videos just captivate the attention of desperate people who are just stressed about their life. They think it like if they make 10K a month, if they don't do that in 3 days, they're gonna die, but they're not. Because spoiler alert, it isn't your last chance to make money. Spoiler alert, you don't have to do that to get rich in 2024. The only thing I will say that they are right in, like all the money video people, is that they say time is running out. And I will admit time is running out, but like, do you even need money? Like seriously, do you even need money? Because I'm fortunate enough where like I don't need money. I'm 16, like I'm still living in my parents' house, like I don't need money. And it's crazy how even though I don't need money, it was my number one priority in life. Somehow it was convinced to me by, I don't know, all the Andrew Tate shorts I watched, but all of my priorities, all my focuses, all my worries in life were if I just made money. So I was trying to do some crazy weird things. I was trying to do some graphic designing, try to do some SMMA like everyone else does. Taking notes. I remember I took so many notes on just SMMA stuff and I just never did it. What I'm trying to say with this, it's not as urgent as you think it is. Really, it's not your last chance. You're not gonna die if you don't make 10K a month. It's not your last chance. You have plenty of time, especially if you're like me. If you're anywhere near 16 years old, you're good, okay? You're good. You don't have to chill. You don't have to stress out, dummy. Chill. It's crazy how this belief was implanted into us, how we have to make money right now or else the recession or something's gonna happen, then we're gonna all die. It's crazy how this belief was implanted into our minds at 15 years old. I watched those videos like a year ago, for almost a year. Just that belief, I need to make money, I need to do this, I need. I don't need any of that stuff. I'm a 15-year-old, I still go to school, I still do other things in my life. And if I don't make money, I'm staying a brokey forever and dying. But I would say like, still try to, get that experience of making money, still try to work hard, still have some discipline, have motivation. Motivation isn't even that bad. It's like a gift, I guess. Gift to have motivation and use the discipline to get the motivation to do that hard things. Because when you do it over and over again, it actually becomes fun. So yeah, anyways, still work hard, still be focused, still want to make money, but just chill out, please, bro. Like, I wish I just heard this a year ago. I was literally stressing if I would make it out alive in 2 years. You have so much time, bro. You seriously do. You have so much time. I'm gonna say that again. So you make sure, after all the months and years of watching these money videos, I need to implant this in your mind. You have so much time. Like, we're 15, 16 right now. Imagine where we're gonna be when we're actually 20, when we're actually 30, when we're like all those money influencers say they are and stuff, like 30. Like Andrew Tate's probably like, I don't know, 30. 35, 40 maybe, I don't know. But imagine where we're gonna be when we're 30. We're getting all this information, all this knowledge and stuff. Imagine where we're gonna be when we're 30. Because Andrew Tate, like, I'm pretty sure he was like this nerd geek guy, like when he was 22. And then he completely changed it in 8 years or something. Completely changed. I don't know how old he is now, but we're literally years ahead of so many people in life. And we're actually starting to enjoy doing great habits. We're enjoying, I don't know, reading, taking cold showers, sleeping well, not playing video games all the time. We actually enjoy those things. Like, we got this. It's life work, bro. We got this. Just give it some time, and it's gonna fall into place. Don't make making money your number one priority. Like, don't ruin your mental health over 10K a month and stuff. Because it's just crazy. It's crazy to think how we're just some 16-year-old and we expect to instantly make 10K a month, no questions asked. And then when we don't, when we try, when we realize our parents won't let us make money, when we realize this happens, it just breaks us down. Because we've been just influenced by this money stuff. Like, we've seen the lifestyle, and when we don't get that, it just breaks us down, and it's completely understandable. Don't get me wrong, I feel like it could be a great lifestyle to live, just having a bunch of money, not caring about anything. Yeah, like, I do agree. Money is amazing. Money is great. Money is a powerful tool. But don't let it ruin your mental health. And I feel like at our age too, we shouldn't be focusing on money, but we should be focusing on something else that I feel like a lot of YouTubers just don't talk about, especially all those money YouTubers. Even the ones telling you to make a SMMA and stuff, they don't tell you this. And that's to have life experience. That's the thing I think we should grind and rush towards. And if we don't get life experience in 3 days, then that's a problem. That's the thing we should be working for. Life experience, actual doing stuff in our life. And you can get those life experiences right now. Go on a walk, try new things, go places, talk to people, say yes to more things. And stop being on monk mode, trying to work, like shave your head or something. Because like, even when I was kind of on monk mode and like secluded myself from every social situation and stuff, like made that as an excuse to not do anything else in my life because I'm on monk mode, I still didn't get any work done. Like, I was still on monk mode and stuff when my parents wouldn't even let me make money online. So it's like, it doesn't even make sense. How would I be working for something if I can't even like make money and stuff? So yeah, anyways, just great things you can do is like this thing I did recently. Like, I just stitched random things on my hat. These buttons too, this little face thing too. Like, I'm just stitching random things on my hat. Whether it's literally being here right now, talking to you. Like, go on my channel right now and see how many videos I uploaded. All of those are experiences that I've done in my life. All of them. All of them, I went out my comfort zone and did something. Lived my life a bit, So, yeah, and I'm doing this right now. Whether it's joining this sports team, like, look at my profile picture. It's me scoring a goal in soccer. Look at my banner thing. It's me going on vacation somewhere, taking a nice picture of the sunrise. If you build up that credibility and give people reasons to listen to you, then you would actually make the 10K a month. You can't expect to be some 15, 16-year-old and, oh, you're on monk mode, so you seclude yourself from every social, public, outside environment thing, and you just stay inside the whole day. And then 2 years later, you expect everyone to take you seriously. Oh, but you've been working so hard on what, really? Just don't worry, bro. Like, we're gonna get there. You really will, 100% easy. Because look at the life we're already living. We're already doing great habits and stuff. We got this. Just chill out for a second. Stop and just smell the roses. Be appreciative of your environment. Be thankful for where you've ended up, how yourself 1 year ago was, and how you are right now. All the steps you had to take to get here. This is just the beginning. It really is. This is the beginning to something great in our life. Also, if you're afraid if it might take years to build up like all the success and stuff, it's not a problem if you enjoy doing it, if you love what you do. So try to find something that you love doing that isn't some SMMA thing. Cause like, do you really like doing that? Do you really like helping some random social media accounts like make money and then you get some of that money? Like, do you really love doing that, or do you just want some money? Cause you said Iman Gaji said it was good or something. I don't even know what like agency. Like, do you really enjoy that? Can you really imagine yourself doing that for 5 years? So find something that you actually enjoy doing. I enjoy making these videos because I just wish I had a video like this 1 or 2 years ago when I was watching all those money videos. So yeah, anyways, if you want to join a like-minded club, a club of people who want to change, want to improve, want to live their life more, and don't really stress about making money right away, instantly, so fast, and if they don't, they're gonna die. If you want more people like that, join the like-minded club in the link in the description. So yeah, I'll see you in there, bro. I'll be in there. We can talk, we could chat, and we could hop on a call, have a great time. So I'll see you later, bro. Peace. We got this.